Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the RegOpenKeyExW Failed Function Result to error code 0 problem in just a few easy steps. This error usually happens because of missing or corrupted registry permissions. The first thing you should do is run your program as administrator. Right-click on the app that's showing the error, then choose Run as Administrator. Sometimes that's all it takes to fix it. If the error still appears, try restarting your computer and then updating Windows. Go to Settings, Windows Update, check for updates, and install everything available. This helps fix broken system files that might be causing the issue. Next, open Command Prompt as Administrator and type this command: sfc/scan now. Then press Enter. This will scan and repair any corrupted system files automatically. Once it's done, restart your PC. And that's it. After doing these steps, the error should be gone. If this helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment if you still have issues.